Hello everyone, this is Shan Heather, and in this video we are going to do a quick comparison between the Honor Pad 9 and the Honor Pad 8 to see what are the differences between these two devices, which one is better and which one you should buy based on your preference. But before we start, if you are new to this channel, then do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification for future upload. So first of all, let's talk about the design and build quality. From the front side, both of them look pretty much same, as they got pretty much same screen size and the screen to body ratio. While we got just one microphone on Honor Pad 8, we got two of them on Honor Pad 9, and the biggest visual difference you will get on the back of the device, on Honor Pad 8 we got the camera module on top left corner, while we got the camera lens in the center left of the device. So while using the rear camera of Honor Pad 8 is better for portrait photography, it is better for video calling and horizontal pictures on Honor Pad 9. Another major difference is that Honor Pad 8 weighs 520 grams while the Honor Pad 9 weighs 555 or 565 grams depending on which variant of it you got. Talking about the variants, the Honor Pad 8 comes in Wi-Fi only model, while we got both Wi-Fi and the 5G model of Honor Pad 9 available in the market. So if you're planning to buy a tablet with 5G 4G connectivity, then you better go with the Honor Pad 9, and if just the Wi-Fi connection is sufficient for you, then Honor Pad 8 is also an option. Talking about the display, the Honor Pad 8 comes with a 12-inch screen with 5:3 aspect ratio, 1200 cross 2000 pixels resolution, so the PPI you will get is 194, and the maximum peak brightness can go as high as 350 nits, and this is a 60Hz display. While the Honor Pad 9 comes with a 12.1-inch display with 1600 cross 2560 pixels resolution, so the PPI you will get is 249, and the maximum peak brightness can go as high as 500 nits. So in terms of both PPI and brightness, Honor Pad 9 is better, and because of that, the display of Honor Pad 9 is sharper and better compared to Honor Pad 8. It also comes with 120Hz refresh rate, so the user interface will be way more smoother compared to Honor Pad 8 display, and you will be able to play some compatible games on 120 FPS as well. So when it comes to display, the clear winner is the Honor Pad 9 in terms of resolution, PPI, refresh rate as well as the maximum peak brightness. Talking about the hardware, the Honor Pad 8 comes with Qualcomm Snapdragon 680 processor with Adreno 610 GPU, while Honor Pad 9 comes with Snapdragon 6 Gen 1 processor with Adreno 710 GPU. So in both CPU and GPU, the Honor Pad 9 is better, and because of that, the gaming performance especially will be better compared to Honor Pad 8. You can watch our benchmarking test comparison video of these two devices to get the better idea that how much difference you will get in terms of performance on daily usage by visiting the link given in the description below or by clicking the one appearing on the top right corner of the display. When it comes to RAM and storage, both of them come with various variants, but the maximum possible combo on Honor Pad 8 is 6GB RAM with 128GB storage, while the Honor Pad 9 can go as high as 12GB RAM and 512GB storage. The one we got here comes with 8GB RAM and 256GB storage. So if 6GB RAM and 128GB storage is not sufficient for you, then better to go with the Honor Pad 9, as it comes with way more RAM and storage options for you. Another major difference between Honor Pad 8 and the Honor Pad 9 is the battery capacity and the charging speed. Honor Pad 8 comes with 7250 mAh battery with 22.5 watt charging, while we got 8300 mAh battery with 35 watt charging on Honor Pad 9. So in terms of both battery capacity and charging speed, Honor Pad 9 is better. Now talking about the camera, the Honor Pad 8 comes with 5MP front camera as well as 5MP rear camera, and both of them can record Full HD resolution videos up to 30 FPS, while we got 8MP front-facing camera capable of recording Full HD resolution videos at 30 FPS and 13MP rear camera that can record 4K resolution videos up to 30 FPS. So none of them can record 60 FPS videos either from the front or rear camera, but the Honor Pad 9 comes with more resolution for both front and rear camera, and the rear camera can record 4K resolution videos as well. So in terms of camera, the Honor Pad 9 is going to be better. So these are the primary differences between the Honor Pad 8 and the Honor Pad 9. Which device you think is better for you and which one you are going to buy? Feel free to share your feedback in the comment section below. And if you find this video useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.